concept of participation can take on different meanings when used in the world of work and human resource management. While it is not always easy to see the connections between the different dimensions of participation, they all share a partnership based view of the company or organization. Participation can, in fact, refer to financial participation. In this case, it involves allowing employees to benefit from the company's good economic results, whether through profit sharing or the distribution of shares, which is known as employee share ownership. Financial participation thus refers to a set of techniques aimed at aligning the interests of shareholders with those of employees. In France, this approach has taken concrete form since World War II through the concept of mandatory profit sharing in companies with at least 50 employees, or through the concept of incentive schemes. But participation also means giving employees a voice so that they can take part in the company's decision making. For example, the term participative management has been used to describe a management style aimed at encouraging dialogue between employees and their managers. This participation in decision making can also take different forms depending on whether direct participation is organized through company management or indirect participation through employee representation. In the latter case, participation in decision making takes place through union representatives, employee elected representatives, or even employee board members. It should be noted that while the same word, participation, is used to refer to both financial participation and participation in decision making, the word involvement can also be used. In human resources management, the term generally refers more to participation in decision making and from the perspective of direct relationships between managers and employees. To conclude, it does indeed seem important to distinguish between the two forms of participation, financial participation and participation in decision making. Because even though both stem from the same partnership based vision of the company or organization, they are not necessarily correlated. Financial participation does not necessarily imply participation in decision making, and vice versa.